gorgeous yellow SF90 coupe. This is modified by RDB, has RDB wheels on there. It's lowered. We have the rear aftermarket wing in carbon and tints. That's all it's got. Unfortunately, it has a door ding, and the SF90 door has a weird shape to it, and it kind of like points out. So it's very easy to get door dings over there, and that's exactly where you got it. When you dent your Ferrari SF90 door and you have to paint it and repair it, all that stuff, it could end up costing you $5,000 to $10,000. You could get a diminished value on this car for another $20,000, $30,000 at least. So you're really losing about 50 grand on a door dent. You will probably never see it on camera. I have to look for it, but it's right over here. It's like a little shadow. The dent is right there, right where the crease is. Taking the door panel out because we're gonna do a paintless dent removal from the back. So we don't want to put paint on this door. That's really, really bad for this car's value. We're going to be doing a paintless dent removal, and you will never see that dent ever again. This is one of my favorite SF90s, honestly. Simple, clean, yellow, and it belongs to a good friend of ours.
Me lo vas a contaminar. Me dijo, no lo toques.
You're going to contaminate it.
Así, contaminate. Así me dijo. Y luego yo le hago así.
Let me see your hand. See?
Entonces, mira la mano de él.
It's contamination for...
His are clean.
Mira. Compare. Estas manos. Estas manos.
He put on the floor too, fix it.
Okay, what hey,
why are you kidding me?
What do you have?
Hey, why are you cutting me?
Cutting?
Yeah, cutting. Cutting Leon.
Where's cutting?
Where's cutting?
Never mind.
Where's cutting?
I don't know.
Singing guy.
Huh?
Singing guy.
Cantante, güey.
Singing.
Singing,
So what are we doing, Felix?
Felix Trinidad.
I need to make custom this.
I need to make caca.
Yeah.
Yeah, caca.
You need to make custom hood. So we're gonna do what? We're gonna do the clear now? Shoot the clear?
No, paint. Paint and clear.
Paint and clear first.
Is this?
You're going to paint
Customer
that.
one is
Very nice. Looks good.
this hood like
There
this.
we go. So we are doing the hood like this. It has to be exactly like this.
Yeah, exactly
Same
like
design.
this. Yeah, same design.
Same exact design. It's a lot of detailed work. Yeah.
Yeah, too much. Thanks.
There's one person to do it correctly. It's Felix. What's your last name? Sanchez?
Sanchez.
Okay. So yeah, he's doing it right now. We're gonna do paint.
Puro
Here.
Mexican power.
Yeah. Solo frijoles and.
Solo frijoles y
Yeah.
pupusas. Ah, no, pupusas salvadoreñas.
I think.
Pupusas salvadoreñas.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. So this will. There's a lot of detailed work. Felix is doing the preparation right now. This will probably be in next week's video. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a pretty cool thing for you guys to see. So look at it now, and then you'll see the difference next week with all the detailed colors and all that stuff. It's gonna be crazy. It's going on a beautiful Porsche. So it's at the right place, and Felix is the right person to do it. So this car is just about finished. Wheels, tires, everything's mounted, balanced. We're waiting for one thing. What's missing on the calipers, guys? Ask Mr. What's his name? Clear My Valve. He was supposed to get us the correct stickers. We rushed. We spent money on Uber. Stickers came, and they're twice the size of the calipers. So now we're waiting for new stickers. He's gonna come himself. Let's see what he's gonna say. Guaranteed he's gonna blame it on us somehow, some way.
Or is it just this bottom part?
Is it not clear my valve? What is it?
I forgot what else we did. That was that was for probably an Aventador then. Because all I did was just use the same size, but it was too big.
We had the correct size for these. It was
Yeah,
good.
I already.
At least he showed up.
He said he's gonna make more.
But this is the first time that I do that you guys wanted with the carbos words in the bottom. Because usually you only get, so that's why it was kind of.
That was good. Wow.
Wow. For once, he did something right.
I'm actually proud of
You're
this
not
one.
done yet.
I don't know.
Tire's gonna fall off.
Well, now I have these words.
Hold on, we have to shoot clear, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
of course. Hey, where are you going? You went to a party or something?
This is water damage. This is a new client of ours. Car came in. He just purchased the car. I don't want to get into too much detail about the body kit on this car, but it is not a 1016 kit. So we are gonna try to upgrade the kit and do a 1016 kit, complete full wide body kit on this car. Car came in, there's a lot of rubbing, there's a lot of imperfections on this kit, so that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna check and see what's going on. We're waiting for the customer response for kit approval, and that's it for this one for now. There's one company that can do the kits correctly, you guys. We started it, you guys come here for your wide body kits. There's a lot of cars that are coming back to us because of imperfections, not done properly. Come to RDB. I want to go to a comic show. One of my favorite comedians is Gabriel Iglesias. Very fun, funny. Javier, make it to break it, Salazar. We have a Bentley right behind us. What are we doing, Javi?
We're replacing suspension arms.
Yeah, these cars have a lot of suspension parts, a lot, more than you guys think of. And we're gonna do the right side today, right front, and we're gonna do a little bit of the left front as well. This car has massive vibration on the freeway, and even after 40 miles per hour, car shakes a lot. Arms are broken, we have to replace it, do an alignment, and test the car. That's it for this one. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Back.
Sometimes it's Disneyland here. There's parts flying from the back of the cars.
It's a mess.
Yeah, so have this mentality that work also has to be fun. Don't want it to be too stressful. It's not good for you. Stress, pressure, all that stuff. So sometimes, at least once out of the week, we have a little bit of playing time to have fun, you know, and loosen up a little bit because, again, stress and pressure is really bad. So, yeah, that's it. There's a guy behind us throwing balls. Oh, it's Danny. Danny's cleaning up. It's a little bit of a mess. We're busy. We can't do it during the day when we're busy, so we're doing it now. At the same time, he's throwing plastic pieces across on our heads. To have fun a little bit, you know? Again,
Your head's a bullseye.
yeah. So that's it. It's been clean, but only for 2 hours.
Yeah. And then 2 hours.
Yeah. After 2 hours, puta de casa. Casa de putas. Hi.
He say very good.
What are we doing, Luis?
Huh?
What are we doing?
Helping over. Helping over.
What did you say?
I'm helping this guy. He doesn't help me. He's doing bullshit.
You're helping him?
I should.
Helping over. Helping over.
Bullshit. Don't do bullshit.
¿Qué dijiste? What you say?
Helping for Luis. Because he's open, he can work faster.
Yeah, I forget already. I forget my I forget already.